Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 3. We will presentation about management of disease in vanilla plants. Before start, I will introduce my team. The first one is me, Manfari Hasan, with name 164. Number 2, Zaki Razan, with name 167. Graciela Nanda, with name 169. Safira Tasya, with name 171. Ahmad Rudi Fitri, with name 162. Sandi Setiawan, with name 173. Vanilla is the second most expensive flavoring in the world. Because it is so expensive, another name for vanilla is green gold. For the price of dry vanilla, it can reach 3 million rupiah per kilogram. The price is expensive because the cultivation and post-harvest process is more complicated than other crops. In its cultivation, it often fails because this plant is susceptible to disease. Vanilla plants is originated from Mexico and have been well known in Madagascar, Comoro, Reunion, and Indonesia. Vanilla plants will grow optimally on type of soil is Habludan, Disturbed, and Potsolic typic, and pH is 5,55 until 7. Rainfall is 1,000 until 2,000 millimeter per year. Temperature is 20 Celsius until 13 Celsius. Humidity is 65 until 75%. Sun intensity is 13 until 15%. Next.
Next, disease of the vanilla plant. Vanilla stem rot disease, VPV. In 1925, Van Hol mentioned that there was sporadic transmission of disease caused by a fungus in vanilla in Java. BBV has been reported to be endemic in Central Java since 1960. In 1962, Sutono stated that the cause of BBV disease was Fusarium oxysporum sp. vanilliae. This fungus produces organ in the form of microconidia, macroconidia, and chlamydospores. Chlamydospore resting brick can stay in the soil for 7 until 10 years. If it has entered an area of agricultural land, BBV pathogens are very difficult to control. BBV can be found in all parts of the plant, especially stem and root. Next.
Okay, the disease control. First, clove vegetable fungicide formula methyl 20 EC. The result of the study showed that the eugenol contained in the leaves and flowers of cloves could kill BBV pathogens at a concentration of 300 ppm. Tombe et al. In 1998 explained that direct application in the field using leaf litter or in the form of flour can reduce the population of BBV pathogens in the soil by 70 until 79%, prevent 50 until 94% transmission of BBV disease, and increase the growth of vanilla plants 37.5%. For large-scale application with a constant active ingredient ethanol, formulas have been made in the form of flour and liquid. One of the formulas in liquid form is methyl 20-EC with active ingredients.
So the next is organic ingredient formula or organotriba. Organotriba organic material formula consists of cow dung waste, has charcoal, cocoa and clove product waste processed by fermentation techniques using B. panthocanthicus and T. lactae, enriched with several useful microorganisms, including B. panthocanthicus, T. lactae, B. firmus, and florescens. According to tests conducted by Seswita and Hadi Punyanti in 203, in vitro tests of Organotriba extract after 2 weeks of fermentation show fungicidal properties against BBV.
Okay, number 3 is technical methods. Perform crop rotation with plants are not sustainable to attack by Fusarium or Osporium. Number 2 is cultivation of plant by bowing and turning the soil so that the seed of the disease are exposed to sunlight. Number 3, liming and the land to increase soil pH and pH close to the normal. The fungus is less active in attacking, and for maintain humidity in the planting area, avoiding stagnant water that has the potential to increase spore growth and development. And number 4, mechanical methods. Garden sanitation to keep the plants are moist. Number 2, regular wetting of weeds or weeds. Number 3, destroy the affect plants. Try not to scatter the soil on the affect plants. And the last one, pot tomato plants in containers so that the soil is not scattered. Give lime to the farmer plants that are upright.
Conclusion. So, in controlling stem rot disease in vanilla plants caused by the fungus Fusarium oxysporum can be controlled by means of clove vegetable fungicide formula, organic ingredients formula, technical methods, and a mechanical method. Okay, that's all from us. If you guys have questions, please let us know in the Sparta's question box. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oh, and the